welcome back to my channel. This is Shrestha and you're watching the Buried Butterfly. I think I'm doing a makeup tutorial after ages. I have stopped doing tutorials because I don't create fancy makeup looks every day until or unless I have something different in my mind, something different concept in my mind. Since you have asked me to make a video on my current makeup obsession or current makeup routine, I am here with the video. But yeah, a few things have changed, few products have changed, so yeah, it is worth it, I guess. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching the video. Before doing any makeup, we need to prepare skin first, and I'm gonna use my sunscreen first. For that, I'm using Biotic Sunshield's Bio Sunflower Matte Gel, as I shoot in the morning most of the times, so I have to put on some sunscreen first. Second step is primer. Primer is very much important in our makeup routine because primer helps the makeup to stay a little longer, and for light makeup I always use aloe vera gel. I have been using this Apollo aloe vera gel for long now, and I can tell you this is one of the best aloe vera gel I have ever used. So this is that special makeup pouch where I keep my everyday makeup essentials. I carry it everywhere. I have mascara to Vaseline, everything in here. I need to find my eyebrow kajal because that's the first thing I always do. For eyebrow, I'm using NYBay Brow Clean Bridge eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. It says it's waterproof, smudge proof, and I would say if you are a beginner or if you want to buy a quality eyebrow pencil under budget, you should buy this NYBay pencil or from Purple, and on Purple you'll get a discount every time. Now I'll use a spoolie to brush my eyebrows, but the thing is I don't have a spoolie. So what I use this hair brush. Yeah, it's a color brush or hair brush which I got from Strix Color Professional, and yeah, it was supposed to use as a hair brush, but luckily it was the extra one, so I use it as a spoolie because I am the Jugaru person and I have substitute of everything. Now it's time for some concealer. Before you ask me, I'm not a foundation person, so I don't wear foundation, so I always go for concealer. My first ever concealer was Insight Makeup Essential Concealer Foundation. It's a liquid concealer. The formula is very good, but trust me, I don't use it anymore because it's very difficult to use, and the skin shade doesn't go with me. The shade is Cream Natural, which is a bit darker than my shade, so I switched to NYBay concealer. It's very easy to use, handy dandy, and the plus point is it's a stick concealer. Stick concealer, you can use it anywhere, anytime. And I use my finger to blend it perfectly. Next step is powder. Whether it's loose powder or compact powder, you will need a powder to set your base and to control your sweat as well. Previously, I was using the Lakme Rose powder. It's a loose powder in the shade Warm Pink, but now I have switched to Maybelline New York Super Fresh White Super Fresh compact powder in the shade Marble. Why I chose compact powder over loose powder? The reason is for my everyday shoot, compact powder does its work very good, but for any occasion or some kind of heavy makeup, I always go for loose powder. And it's compact powder. This Maybelline compact powder is again pocket friendly and perfect for the beginners. So my base is done, and now I'll use the mascara, and I am using the Maybelline the Super Curl Volume Express Easy Wash Mascara, which I have been using since I have started doing makeup. So 90% of the makeup is done. Now it's time for my first favorite part in the makeup, which is highlighter. I love highlighters. I love that glow on my face, and because I shoot at home, so I always use, most of the times I use Vaseline. Otherwise I use the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, because it has few shades which actually goes for highlighter and bronzer and contour as well. Now the last part is lipstick. This is the second favorite part in makeup. I'm a fanatic of lipstick. I am obsessed with lipsticks. I have collection of different shades of same color, yeah, which I'll show you later. I'll show you my collection later. Coming back to my most favorite, the first one is from Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. This is a perfect nude shade for every skin type, for every Indian skin tone. And currently I am hooked into Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Made Easy. This liquid formula is perfect. It is better than the Super Sensational Matte, which sticks like hell, but this formula is very good, easy to wear and perfect for everyday wear. Now I'm lining my lips with lip liner in the shade dark brown. I had bought this lip liner from a local cosmetic store, and then I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick. And I'll use a nude lipstick from NY Bay in the shade Impeccable Isabella on the top of the liquid lipstick. So that's it. That's how I catfish on Instagram. I'm sorry if you expected more from me in this matter. I'm really sorry if I have disappointed you, but trust me, that's my minimal makeup routine. I am what I am, and if you are a minimal makeup lover, you can follow this routine. And all of the products I have shown in this video are on rupees 200. So if you are a beginner, or if you want products on rupees 200 or budget, you can follow, you can buy these products, because the products are of good quality and prices are also affordable. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you loved it. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share with everyone, and drop your comment if you want to watch more tutorials from me, or if you love this look. You can DM me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest as well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the Buried Butterfly and press the bell button so that you are notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next week. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy and live gorgeously. Currently using the